Hello class 7th, exercise 2.4, question number 3, part 1st. Again this is division of fraction, but now fraction divided by a whole number. If nothing is denominator, you can put 1 if no denominator is there. So now 7 by 3 is equal to 7 by 3. This divide will become multiply and will take reciprocal of 2 by 1. It will be 1 by 2. Now very simple multiplication of numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. It will be 7 into 1 7, 3 into 2 6. Now this is improper. Children, see, if we are getting improper fraction as answer, we have to convert that in proper fraction or in mixed fraction. In case of improper fraction, we have to convert that in mixed fraction. Now you just convert this 7 by 6 into mixed fraction. This is the method to convert in mixed fraction. You see, 7 divided by 6, 6 1 ja 6. Now remainder is 1. So what is way to write this? Quotient, remainder, divisor. So what is quotient over here? 1, remainder is 1 and divisor 6. So this will be answer. I am doing one more part of this question. This is fifth part. Fifth part is 3 and 1 upon 2 divided by 4. So we have mixed fraction here. Just convert this into improper fraction. So it will be 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2 divided by 4 by 1, or this will be 7 by 2 multiplied by reciprocal of 4 by 1. It is reciprocal means interchange of numerator and denominator. So it's very simple now. It is 7 into 1 7, 2 into 4 8. Now this is proper fraction, so no need to convert this into mixed fraction, and this is not possible also. So this is answer. Now question number 4. I am doing some few parts. Part 4 I am doing. This is 2 and 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. In similar manner you can do this. It is 3 2 ja 6 1 7, 7 by 3. I converted this into improper fraction and multiplied by reciprocal of 3 by 5. It is 5 by 3. Now this is 7 into 5 35, 3 into 3 9 is equal to, again this is improper fraction, you can convert this into mixed fraction. 35 9 9 3 27. Now remainder is 8. So it will be quotient. In this form you will be writing quotient, remainder and divisor. So this is answer. One more part I will be doing, that is part 7. This is 3 and 1 upon 5 divided by 1 and 2 by 3. This will be similar manner. 5 3 ja 15 1 16, 16 by 5 divided by 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 3. Now 16 by 5, in place of divide we will multiply and take reciprocal of second fraction. Children, you need to keep in mind, we have to take reciprocal of second fraction only. First fraction will remain unchanged. So reciprocal of this is 3 by 5. Now this will be 16 into 3 48 and 5 into 5 25. Again this is improper fraction, as you can see. So convert this improper fraction 48 upon 25 into mixed. So very simple, 48 divided by 25, 25 1 ja 25, 3 2. So how will we write quotient? Like this, quotient remainder upon divisor. So what is quotient? That is 1, remainder is 23 and divisor is 25. This is answer. Likewise you can do all the parts of question number 3 and 4. Thank you.